What's up, guys? Welcome back. So for the last month I've been walking about 15,000 steps, sometimes more, every single day. It's been a great month, really. Got a little bit of tan going on, feeling really good. About to head out now, actually. Let me take these off. But before that I was doing about 10,000 steps every single day, sometimes a little less. And this month has really inspired me to keep it going. The walking has this grounding effect that's unlike anything else. It's sort of like a meditation. When you walk those 15,000 steps throughout the day, you've been moving. Your brain starts turning the cogs. Your anxiety is a lot less. I've noticed even walking on the street, you can be stiff. When you walk, people are looking at you. Eventually, you just get familiar with it. You don't really give a damn what anyone thinks about you. People start to know you around the neighborhood. Like people see me, they're waving to me. Like people's dogs know me now. They don't even bark at me. So, but what I'm saying is moving your body. We're made to move, and a lot of us sit, but moving that much really has this like de-stressing, grounding, centering effect on me that I notice. Like I have less anxiety throughout the day. I'm able to breathe deeper. All right, I feel a lot better. So that's one of my favorite things. Two more things I wanted to tell you guys. The amount of audiobooks that I'm able to go through, 1 or 2 a week. So I'm listening for this hour and a half a day that I'm walking. Sometimes I take it out and listen to nature, but guys, you can burn through books. And so that's just a great way. You can listen to podcasts, books, lectures, whatever you want, and you can just begin to learn more as you're walking. So you're knocking out 2 things right there, And the next thing that I really enjoy is I'm trying to build muscle, and usually, you got to eat more calories. You got to eat a lot of calories, and sometimes that comes with some weight gain. And I've noticed that as I walk these 15,000 steps, whatever I don't burn, I'm knocking out there. I'm just burning it on the walk, because a lot of us only have activity in the gym. And if you're struggling to lose weight, just going to the gym for an hour isn't usually going to cut it. It's like, how many calories are you burning throughout the day? And the way that you burn more is by moving more, all right? So if you're sitting down, if you try to walk more, and I'm not saying you got to hit 15,000 steps. I think 10,000 steps is a really good number. And if you walk 10,000 steps, no matter what age you are, you're going to notice tremendous benefits. You're going to have better posture. You're going to lose weight. And you're just going to feel really good, all right? Our bodies are made to move. And I think that if we do that, it transitions into our mindset. We feel more positive, we feel more outgoing and energetic. All right? I will see you guys soon. Peace.